Hello dear children, welcome to today's EVS class. Dear children, in the previous class we already learned about meaning of safety. Isn't it? Safety means protect oneself from danger or keep away oneself from any kind of danger. Keep away oneself from any kind of danger, isn't it? And we learned about what are the rules we follow at home. And we also learned about what are the rules we must follow on the road. We always walk on the pavement, means we always walk on the footpath. Children must cross the road with elders. And never play and never run on the road, isn't it? Okay children, today we are going to learn about what are the rules we must follow while traveling in the vehicles. Okay children, first one, never put your hand or head out of moving vehicles. Other vehicles passing by may hit you. Dear children, sometimes you put your hand or head out of the moving vehicles. But it is very dangerous children, because other vehicles are running or passing. Isn't it? Other vehicles are passing on the road. There is a chance to hit you. It may causes for you lose your hands or you get injuries your head. So never put your head or hand out of the moving vehicles. Got it children? Next, second one, wear your seat belt while traveling in a car. Dear children, you know it, what is seat belt? We must wear the seat belt while traveling in a car. We must wear the seat belt. Got it children? Next, third one. Always get in and get off the bus only at bus stop. Get off the bus only after it stops. Dear children, we must get in and get off only at the bus stop. Got it? And get off bus only after it stops. When bus is stopped, then only we get off the bus. Got it? Never move the, never get off the bus is moving. Got it children? ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲವರು ಬಸ್ಸು ನಿಧಾನ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಓಡೋಗಿ ಹತ್ತದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಳಿಯೋ ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡೇಂಜರಸ್. ಸೊ ನೆವರ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬಸ್ ನಿಂತಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಹತ್ತಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಇಳಿಬೇಕು. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ದಿ ಡ್ರೈವರ್. While traveling, don't disturb the driver. Dear children, while traveling, don't disturb the driver. If you disturb the driver attention is towards your side. Isn't it? It may chance to accident. So, never disturb the driver while traveling. Got it children? These are the rules we must follow while traveling in a vehicles. Got it children? Next, while riding a bicycle. While riding the bicycle, what are the rules we must follow? You enjoy the riding bicycle, isn't it? Everyone, you ride the bicycle, isn't it children? Let me see. Riding a bicycle is fun, but you must not ride it on busy roads. Got it children? never run or never ride the bicycle on busy road. Never run the bicycle on main road. Main road is always busy. You know it, isn't it? So, don't ride the bicycle on main road or busy road. Got it, children? Next. Keep to the left side of the road. When you are riding the bicycle, you must keep the left side on the road. Got it? See here, children. You must keep the left side on the road. Got it? Next. Always wear a bicycle helmet while cycling. Dear children, you always wear bicycle helmet. See here. This boy is wearing bicycle helmet. It is safe for you, isn't it? So always wear this type of helmet while you are riding the bicycle. Okay. Next, do not carry anything heavy on your bicycle. Got it, children? Don't never carry any heavy things on your bicycle. Next, hold the handlebar tightly with both hands. See here, children. You properly hold the handbar. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವು ಟೈಮು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎರಡು ಕೈನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬಾರಿಂದ ಎರಡೂ ಕೈನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ keep the handlebar properly. Okay, children? Carry the handlebar properly. Okay? Next. Do not ever let go of the handlebars while riding. ನಾನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲ್ಬಾರ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್ ರೈಡ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. Got it, children? Don't do that. Okay. Now, road signals. Dear children, you are already seen some signals on the road, isn't it? We are already seen some signals on road. They gives us some useful information. The road signals give useful information to us. So see here. While traveling by road, you must have seen some road safety signals. This road signals gives us some useful information. Let me see what they indicate. Okay. These signals gives us children are crossing. There is a school, the children are crossing there. So, don't run fast your vehicles. Got it, children? Next. These signals indicate no parking. P ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗೆರೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ ನೋ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ನೋ ಹಾರ್ನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ನೋ ಹಾರ್ನ್. ನೋ ಹಾರ್ನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹಾರ್ನ್ ಇಟ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ದಿಸ್ ನೋ ರೈಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್. These signals indicate no right turn. These signals indicate no left turn. Got it, children? These are the some road signals.